What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors here in Maine. The trip continues. This is episode 3. Haven't made an intro yet, and I've already caught 3 fish, so I know this is probably going to be a video. So we are out at a cold water discharge river, probably the only river that I can think of around Maine that's going to have some good trout fishing, and it also has landlocked Atlantic salmon year-round in this river. Did a temp of the river, it's about 68. We're pretty close to the discharge. A lot of good flow, very intimidating water though, tough to walk around. But I've already got 3 salmon, so enjoy that here in a few seconds, and we'll see what else we can get. Hopefully we can get some monsters, and maybe even some good brook trout. Stay tuned. Got something. Brookie, maybe? Yeah. Oh no, it's a perch. What'd you say? Yeah, I'm not standing on that slime anymore.
Oh no.
There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, salmon. Heck yeah. First salmon of the trip. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, got something. Hell yeah. Yeah. Salmon. Yeah. There we go, another salmon. Wild Atlantic salmon, baby. So dope. There we go. Another salmon. Back in quick. There we go. Got him. Beautiful fish. Super dark fish. Oh, probably darker brookies I've ever caught. Such a pretty fish though. Hell yeah. There we go. Drop my net. Nice little wild salmon. Well, there he goes. I got some issues going on here. Wow, I guess I had some fray on my line. The spinner was stuck in the net. The net went down the rapids, and my spinner went with it. There we go. Good one. Biggest of the day, at least, I think. Oh, he was just wrapped up. Thought he was gonna be my biggest. Still a good fish. Ooh. Very nice. Get him back in here. These rocks are so slippy. Gotta watch every step. All right, buddy, I know. We're putting you back. Nice Atlantic salmon. Ah, come on. He is ready to go for sure. Heck yeah. Oh my god, almost. Oh shit. Oh, I fell. And I still have this fish. I can't believe I still have him. What a mess. It's a salmon. I'm gonna bring him over here to this drier stuff. You don't want to fall in that. Good Lord. Bring him over to some flat land here. There we go. Caught her on the other side of those rapids, man. Off he goes back into the current. Crazy. There we go. Oh, it's a good one. That net is not big enough. He's just spazzing too much. That's a heck of a fish, though. Ah, shit. Oh, that's a good one. I thought that was you casting up there. I thought it was you casting up there. All right, come here, buddy. This fish. Oh man, I wish I could give you a good look at him. They're so slimy and ready to go. Alright folks, that is gonna do it. Looks like we got a storm rolling in. But what a day, man. So many fish in this river. It's crazy. You guys definitely didn't see every fish I caught. But lots of salmon, a few brookies here and there, some nice fish. Really can't complain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, hope you're enjoying the Maine stuff. We got I think a day or two more in Maine. We are hitting the White Mountains in New Hampshire and the Finger Lakes area in New York before we get back. I don't know how much fishing we'll do after this, but hopefully we can still get on a couple creeks or rivers or something between now and then. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time on SC Outdoors.